Today, we'll show you how to assemble the Sienna Highchair. The Highchair includes the following elements: a seat with a cover, safety harness and safety bar, tray, footrest, top parts of the legs, bottom parts of the legs, 4 plugs for the safety harness, 8 6x20 screws, 2 5x24 screws. The set also includes Allen key, Phillips head screwdriver. Start by screwing the bottom and top parts of the legs together. Align them as per the numbers and connect them. Next, affix the legs to the previously inverted seat. The legs with the openings for the footrest should be at the front of the Highchair. Remember to correctly align the screws in the legs with the openings for the screws in the seat. Next, affix the legs one by one using the screws under key. Now right the chair and screw in the footrest at the front. Ready. Mount the tray by inserting it into the latch first on one side, then on the other. If you want to remove it, tilt the latches one by one, then pull the tray up. Always secure your child using the safety harness. Before you do this, adjust the height of the safety harness. Next, connect the safety harness and insert it into this buckle. The Sienna Highchair is ready. Now let's change it into a chair for older children. Start by removing the tray. Next, turn the chair upside down and remove the safety bar underneath the seat using a screwdriver. Remove the plug inside. Right the chair and disassemble the safety harness. Pull the buckle through the openings and cover of the chair. Both the safety harness and the cover can be hand washed. Install the plug where the safety bar was before. You can now put the cover back on. Secure the safety harness openings using these buckles. Now, remove the footrest by unscrewing the screws one by one. Ready. Now it's time for the legs. Turn the chair upside down and unscrew the bottom parts of the legs. Then, disassemble the pads and affix them to the top parts. This will prevent the chair from sliding around. Okay, the Sienna chair for older children is ready. Enjoy!
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.